Hey lovelies! Welcome back to another fabulous nail art tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to nail the cat eye gel look step by step. This look is not only trendy but also super fun to create. If you're into magnetic nail art, then you're in for a treat. The cat eye gel polish creates a mesmerizing effect that mimics the mysterious eyes of a cat. First things first, let's talk about what's in the kit. Having the right tools is essential for achieving that perfect look. You'll need a base coat, cat eye gel polish, a top coat, and of course the magic ingredient, a magnet. Ready? Let's get started. Make sure you have everything laid out and within reach. Step 1. Prep your nails. This is a crucial step to ensure your manicure lasts longer and looks flawless. Make sure they're clean and shaped to your liking. Wash your hands thoroughly to remove any dirt or oils. Push back those cuticles and buff the surface gently to remove any oils. This helps the polish adhere better and prevents chipping. Once that's done, apply a thin layer of base coat and cure it under your UV lamp for about 60 seconds. The base coat acts as a foundation for your gel polish. Step 2. Time for the cat eye gel polish. This is where the magic begins. Apply a thin layer of the cat eye gel polish to your nails. Be sure to cover the entire nail evenly. Don't worry if it looks a bit sheer, we'll build it up. The first layer is just the base for the effect. Now, cure this layer for another 60 seconds. This step is important to set the foundation for the next layer. Step 3. Now for the fun part. This is where we create the cat eye effect. Apply a second layer of cat eye gel, but don't cure it just yet. This layer needs to be wet for the magnet to work. Grab your magnet and hold it over your nail for about 10-15 seconds. The closer you hold it, the more defined the effect will be. You'll start to see the magic happen as the particles shift and create that stunning cat eye effect. It's like watching a tiny galaxy form on your nails. Once you're happy with the design, cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. This will lock in the cat eye effect. Step 4. Lock it in with the top coat. This step is crucial for sealing your design and adding that final touch of shine. Apply a generous layer of top coat to seal in your design and give it that gorgeous shine. Make sure to cover the edges to prevent chipping. Cure it again for 60 seconds. This final cure will ensure your nails are completely set and ready to show off. Finally, cleanse the sticky layer with a lint-free wipe soaked in isopropyl alcohol. This will leave your nails smooth and shiny. And there you have it, a stunning cat eye gel look that's sure to turn heads. This look is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual day out or a special event. Just a quick tip, play around with the magnet. You can create different patterns and effects by changing the angle and distance of the magnet. Try different angles and distances to create unique effects. The possibilities are endless, so have fun with it. And if you make a mistake, don't stress. The beauty of gel polish is that you can always fix it. You can always apply another layer of polish and try again. So there you go. Easy, right? With a bit of practice, you'll be a pro in no time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more nail art tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me. Stay fabulous and I'll see you in the next video. Keep experimenting and let your creativity shine.